Charlie, another lovely Wednesday. Welcome. This be Football Made in Ghana. Last week, we don't feel bring you the show because then we get some special program where they go up. But today, we are back. And today, you see the JC at the way, no? We could worry. Got a lot of people say the strike, you know, be fitting. So they go bring new one. But until the new one comes, we still go rep the strike like that. The most important thing be this one. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, then they in the news for all the good reasons. Last week, Saturday, the transfer window closed for Ghana, October 31. So right now, today on the show, we can rate every club in transfer activity. Then we go take you through who went where. Who way is come, who way he go, where some players where them there, who way he with the expect he go light up the league, who way with the expect you know go if you do something. But all of these things today, every club, all 18 of them, we go try, then go through the transfer activity. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, then sign plenty players, has the folks sign plenty players. In fact, we go tell you how many foreign players they sign for the league inside this season. And we go show you all of them, where they're from, what you expect from your new signing. Some players where you never hear before, where the transfer window, they check like then lost for the system inside. Then Shadab make some secret moves, go some places. We go show you all because your names there. You go here say they did this club, you go shock. Then the big one. As a Mojan, of course, transfer deadline, they be still all the headlines as you go Legon cities. Charlie, yesterday he do in first training. I see him. Charlie, the man, hey, Ghana Premier League defenders go enjoy the jokes. But maybe just Charlie, he be player. We go show you what he do for the training ground there yesterday. He do some interview too. He say, Charlie, right now, as he can, he be established name. Everybody go come to the stadium, they can watch him. Go play that interview, give you. Charlie, Sule Muntari in brother, in younger brother, if you know here, now I tell you, Sule Muntari in younger brother said, he they play for the Ghana Premier League now. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, they say he be in the collect the biggest money for there, Charlie. It'll be small money, they play for Ghana here, then they pay you money like $3,000 every month. It'll be now. So the Ghana Premier League, you know, it be lucrative and money day. So we encourage all the players, make them come back. But you know what? I don't want to do all the talking. The show as usual, I said they like talking, be home. Social media, WhatsApp messages, make you send me all of your messages. How they rate all the teams on transfer activity? Ask for folk fans. Check like this transfer window, you people make quiet pound. Because they signed Patrick Razak, they don't even announce the team. From the day they signed Patrick Razak till today, House of Folk no announce the team for them at Twitter. You know they on my website, but then sign the player. So this thing, I know the back. So make I hear from you. The number, my technical director ran away, but make you don't worry. The number you go send the messages to, they your screen top +233 550 585 832 +233 550 585 832. They go take put for they give you. This be Football Made in Ghana. We go take some short break. When we come back, I go tell you how you go get in touch with that. They are going to introduce the guest there. One guy. I like this guy. The last time I see him, check like 1 year and 6 months ago for Ismailia. Today, I go drag and come here. This be Football Made in Ghana. We cannot go anywhere. This be Football Made in Ghana. The number to send your messages to +233 550 585 832. Make you send me a message. It go there your screen top very shortly. Where my number there? There it is. Those of you where you watch from outside the country, all my parties for Liberia, Senegal, Sierra Leone, Nigeria, where they like watch the show, they send messages. Just send me a message right now. I don't know how many people they like watch the Ghana Premier League, but for outside those countries. But the Ghana Premier League can be international. Now it left 10 days. Next week Saturday, that be when maybe this Saturday, the next one, that be when the Ghana Premier League will start. But make I introduce my guest today. The first one, he be familiar face. He be here, I go introduce first. He come here more times. Today, we they can't go through all because the transfer deadline day, the man he no sleep. He did the press info is until midnight. Ladies and gentlemen, Seydou Adamu they make a return. Seydou. Everything cool. You the Ghana Premier League transfer and you check like some oracle for there. Your phone, put your pocket. I don't know why you hold your phone. Everybody we see they use iPhone 12. Maybe it's okay. It's okay. We say we don't use iPhone 5 safe. We hide them. You get 12, you don't want to show off. Say you welcome to the show. Thank you. And this man he's a big man. My next guest he be some guy. This guy, big man. Hey, he be hard guy. Back in the day, The time that he did there, I don't know if you bring him come here because if he come here, bosses go slashing him. That be the thing. Right now, if he get freedom, check out Shatta freedom. He go anywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll go fish out from somewhere where nobody know where he did. My next guess, Benedict Owusu, formerly of Joy. Benedict, Charlie, everything cool.
Solid.
Do some action with the ball. Hey, Allah. Hey,
Charlie.
This one is slow. You Lukaku. Difference no day.
Oh no, but I go feed you again. If you again, I go feed sort you out.
You go try again.
Yeah, I see that no planting, so I want challenge them.
You want challenge too. Allah.
Oh, Charlie.
Yeah, go my hometown. Go chop to task medicine. Medicine know the work.
The ball big
today
too
know the
much.
work.
This boy big.
The ball you are
big too much.
It deflate too much.
It big.
The ball big too much.
It like size
It
7.
no matter as 5.
It big too much.
Say do if you shout there, it be so a day.
Oh yeah, Charlie.
Allah.
No bad.
Charlie, my medicine come. If you like today, you work. If you bring the mojo. Anyway, better than welcome.
Charlie,
These days, why you hope us? Because you know that I join the game.
I beg.
Charlie, everything happen.
You said make a come football made in Ghana. So I did. So I did. Every time make a come, I come.
You don't look good though.
They look good.
One is sweet.
How we want a friend?
This cannot be Kotoko Jesse, please.
Oh,
but you know the word is
not
Jesse.
Kotoko Jesse.
Last season,
this be them. Please, be them Jesse. So at least last
season, not be this Jesse.
So
this season, hold on,
Jesse.
So you do this season in Jesse. Even now. We select the jersey way there for print. Now the jersey they don't print finish. Now you say what?
If I talk so you see. You talk so I say football made in Ghana be big.
Yes.
People they watch.
Yes.
If the corner post say you talk say this because of jersey the way it fit you. We say they will go buy some. The time
no, but this one I know the market again.
It day.
But how you go do the market?
You forget say
cancel
the management bring like 3 containers. So it day.
Charlie,
but they know if you sell.
See,
why because they cancel the contract? How you go sell?
What in the West have no be befitting? So
this that be how they can't talk.
Oh,
but that go by. Then no go be.
That because the commandment they talk.
Yes.
But the Kotoko fans and they watch the show. I don't sure say they will agree with you people. Why they do this so? And the way the team take and promote the team, they cannot. Then you just come.
You know come. Yeah, you try.
So right now,
so like for Don has to for my own way.
See where you see. You know the talk. This is the whole matter.
You know the talk.
This is the whole matter.
If you know day market, where the wine day market phobia, they say they sell 70%. They for sell the 30% left.
So, but here be my question.
No, but at least what did they talk to you true?
Maybe true. But I get question giver. Last week, they caught some photo from House of Folk them at training ground. Nike here. Adidas here,
Charlie,
Ambro here. So you say make a buy. Which one make a buy? Which one make a buy?
Yesterday, I posted some more in picture. Somebody they asked me for Twitter say why he be Nike the sponsor Legon Cities. Charlie, don't say up to now. No, if you reply the guy.
How you gonna reply? You gonna reply? Anyway, Benedict, Charlie, good to have you. Good to have you.
Thanks for having me.
Football. Last time I see Benedict before.
Now you put it
for Ismailia.
People they do yabana.
They come out Ghana. Your man he won't cry.
They do yabana.
We go catch there every day. Benedict he say we go win the team. If you see me now, Charlie, we go win the team. Not knowing.
You see me again.
Medicine man chop the money.
It like the more Ghana pass me or the way they love Ghana.
The medicine man chop the money.
But not say the next half can go in.
Oh, it be possible. I mean,
you don't get him. The next half can go in.
You go win. If we do our things right, we go win.
Every tournament we win some.
Oh yeah.
Every tournament we win some.
Oh, but the last half can we no do other things for.
Exactly.
Which things?
Oh,
the juju.
You say?
The juju.
What?
How we don't do it?
Juju.
Oh, I mean, just some small things where if you put them together. You know, the team we get good, we get coach, but you know, actually, I mean, things. So you agree
with the minister?
Oh, say what?
Penalty.
Shamenko. Then let me just
down there, I disagree with them. Penalty be part of the game, and you know, your best penalty taker self go feel mess up. So
you now do this.
But the next one, I hope they will win.
Yeah, the Ghana Premier League is just 10 days away. Today on the show, as I'll talk to you, we can't look back on all the transfer activity of all the clubs. The transfer window for the Ghana Premier League, it ended last Saturday, October 31. Players signed plenty for different clubs. In fact, there were 10 foreign players waiting to then can sign for Ghanaian clubs during the last window. We'll show you all of that. But we won't do club by club. Then base you, we club we have the best transfer window. We go rate every club in transfer activity. Then we go tell you what every player they bring to each of those clubs. So I'm not going to waste time. We go begin with the biggest of them all, Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now Kumasi Asante Kotoko, as we know, if the club where Charlie, every window they sign like 15 players on the average. This window was no different. They signed plenty players. So we will show you on the screen now the transfers of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and then we will come back here and try to show you all of the all of the other ones. Now Fabio Dos Santos be the biggest signing with them make. There it is. So you only okay. So then Kumasi Asante Kotoko are my signings. Razak Abalora be goalkeeper. Andrew Skoja Pao, he be defender and son from Bafokwa. Patrick Asma be left back. Fabio Gama, the son from Brazil. Mubarak Yusuf, the son be defender from Ashanti Go. Latif Anabila be midfielder into the son from Ashanti Go free. Evans Adumako, he be striker, formerly of Far Rangers, with the son and bring him to the club. Kwame Opoku, and then Emmanuel Sarkodie, I will go back to Kayeke. But Kwame Opoku and Emmanuel Sarkodie, they don't sign them this window. They sign them in the last window, but they don't play for the club with COVID come. Where now they come at Emmanuel Kayeke. So there you see 11 players if you count all of them. But this particular window, Ankasa, the players that signed be 9. One player is missing in the list. And listen, I'm preparing keep. The player missing in the list be Sule Ali Muniru. He be the younger brother of Sule Ali Muntari. He signed for the club. It be just yesterday or Monday where Kumasi Asante Kotoko unveiled. So if you add them to the list, that's 12 players where Kotoko go 12 new players that will go into the new season with. I mean, Benedict, if you are going to start with, you look at this. That's basically a starting 11, if you like, because from goalkeeper all the way to striker, they sign everybody everywhere.
Goalkeeper, then get defenders, then get midfielders.
They get everything. They get defenders, they get midfielders. You go fit set up a starting 11 from the new signings alone. I mean, after the window shut, then what be your assessment of Kotoko and my transfer activity this particular window?
I think say for Kotoko, I expect say them go sign players.
Yeah.
Because Nana Ponsan come. Initially, the time then talk about signing of players, that be the time we tune for after that committee, say we no sign any player, we all of a sudden he left that thing with then start sign players. So it don't really come to me as a surprise, that's then start the sign players. And for them, it be something always with the see. And as it be new management, they are not say then we start something new. The new thing they want to start they say, then we bring in some of these players and then go tie them down. So what we see this season, I'm not sure say we will see the season it will come, then the other seasons it will follow.
Yeah.
So, at least then we would love keep these players for the league for some time. Make them excite the fans, make them play together for a very long time. Because over the years, if you watch Kumasi Asante Kotoko, anytime then if you keep them a team together for a very long time, then they play very well. Very, very well. Honestly, if they carry then times Michael Asante, Edmond Usu and some them play together for a very long time.
Yeah.
The time Abdul Razak Day. So you see, say even at a point then Kotoko then say them be off-season champions, Coca-Cola top 4, then win
every trophy they go win.
They play, you know, they play well for Africa. And I think say this be the way this new management won't go. But the players and signed this season, one they excite me, be Latif Anabila.
Anabila, the midfielder from Ashanti Gold.
There be one guy I know him personally. Me and him, we do so many things.
I see.
We travel before.
You do things.
Yeah, we travel before. We wear Charlotte together.
You do things.
Oh yeah, the things are they talking. We travel before. We wear Charlotte. We sleep in the same room.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, we play game. We go play game safe. We do this.
From
thing.
where? You just say you have to go way back.
We go 2015 Congo.
Oh, African Games. Right.
They did a black meteor team.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
We go play game and things. And at that point, as I see the guy, we are saying, no, this guy he be
get the potential.
Guy. So over the years, I follow him. He go out, he come back, he go Ash Gold, and as Ash Gold they play for the Confederation Cup. I go watch. I see and say, no, Charlie,
this boy be baller. He and James are coming go for the medal there.
How they go? Definitely. If you don't leave Ghana, I know say you go move a step further. Way this season they come. So for him, I know say
you excited.
Very, very happy give somebody like Anabila. I mean, Sule and brother too. I know I'm for dance man. We play together. Then me I be goalkeeper. So then times we they play for Maria. He be in the play. He be make we see boots. Then the right name for you see.
Oh yeah. The customized boots, no.
Then he bring some camp. That time in brother day Portsmouth. Then in 2008.
I see.
So a close job. Go house. We go play on Cheney. Then I be goalkeeper for my area. So Charlie, he bring the boots. Come here. We see Charlie. Everybody wants.
Wait. What there be? Wait. If you want in name or in
name? It be Munta in brother in name. Charlie, and if you see in Jesse self, they wear. So if they play the ball, just they watch them, they score me too. It's not easy. So if somebody, I not say you go out there, you come, it'd be very good. Say at least we will get some of these guys.
Yeah.
And you know, it not be even about the club. It be about the fans. Now, if you want to get somebody go stadium, you go fit tell them to Charlie Sule in brother way, then they play for Europe. They here, as some other way, now they here. You know, so you go make people. Just yesterday, some guy they tell me say if the league start, they beg the 25% then will go there. Stay. If I for make sure say every time if I they go, he won't go plus me. You won't just go see.
No, yesterday said somebody call me giddy. When Lagos cities they train, that then you won't go watch as a Majan train. So I mean, the interest they
so
did. So to make I bring you in, he talk about Latif Anabila, the exciting signing we. He take camp commercials and Kotoko. Me, they are shocked because all the Kotoko players we then sign. The funny thing is every single one of them be free, no pay money for any player. But that be the shocking part for the selling clubs, especially. As good, two big players, Yusuf Mubarak and Anabila. Both went for free. I don't know how they do. You know, go renew them a contract. You know, so these players get value. Then you let them run down their contract. But overall. How you go rate commercials and go to call them a transfer activity this window? Check like, I mean, from the outside it go look like this be normal because every season this be what them they do, but it appears something be different about the way them go about time this season.
Well, I really see the difference they see apart from the oh no, it be facts. Apart from the returnees, where the returnees serve. I talk this because if you check the players Kotoko get. Plus the people they bring in. You go ask say the ones they come they get quality pass those they do or not. That be the question for us.
So for the record, then sack how many players? Like 17.
They sack like 16 players.
16. Yes.
But there are fans make we not talk to them sack. They say some of them.
Then let go.
Some of them they say they know they go.
Some
they say the coach say no one.
Okay,
so they say
the 16 players from last season no they part of the season again.
Exactly. That be then we all make free.
That be the phrase they like.
Get us you go sleep.
Then we go sleep.
Even though this one before you go they will give hashtag what?
So you
thank you something.
Oh, then go write statement. You know be befitting presenter.
Exactly. They do support NYA.
Okay.
Some of us go talk some of these things. So if I talk them well, and the talk say the people they bring in, if they be good players. But the question you go ask me say the good pass those they did there or not. Because if you take the goalkeeper they bring Razak, he be fantastic goalkeeper. But you go ask say the people he can't compete plus no. What be their qualities? It be almost like the same. If you take the left back, they get Timoro. Yes, they bring Patrick Asma. Where they get Timoro, where they get
that be quality left back. Imoro Ibrahim, Patrick Asma and left back.
Yes,
the competition there will make tight.
Exactly. You go the centre back, they get Wahab Adams, they get Habib Mohammed.
Where they buy Yusuf.
Ajimabedu go, so I don't go mention him, but where they buy Yusuf.
Yes.
Same quality. You catch.
Then they add the Apao guy.
In the young boy, so we fit talk, say go sit bench. If you go middle. They get Adon Frimpong. They got Medasiru. Where they come add Latif Anabila. They come add Sule Muniru. So the question be say, those they did, now they get quality already. Where you bring another quality. They bring even Kayeke too. The only place you go talk to the players they bring, even made for now they get Sako there. Because you talk Sako the last previous season. So the only place you go talk to they bring people players where be find maybe Fabio Gama they play attacking midfield which is like we will talk to number 10. So that one be normal. Where then attack to Kwame Poku. Apart from that, the players they bring all they get same quality.
But you see, not to cut you, but me I feel say as Kotoko won't go play for Africa, and with Nana's vision of keeping these guys together for a very long time.
They didn't hear deaf.
Exactly, and the other thing to be say. Charlie, you for bringing players, make them compete. So, for instance, we see Imoro. last season, Charlie, if you play free kick, you watch, I see this be quality player. But I bring Patrick Asma. So what it means is that now you get two good
quality left backs.
If you go, the only problem I have be the goalkeeping side. Because that one, if me...
They say too much meat, no sport.
Oh, no, but this one is sport. Because, Charlie, you get Kwame Ban, you get Felix Annan. Then last 2 issues, then you can't bring Razak. So... Because
like joke, suddenly the best goalkeeper in the Ghana Premier League, Kofi become third choice.
But you see,
your
national team goalkeeper for the last 3 years, you go fit day bench and you go play.
Yeah.
That be Felix Annan.
But you see,
consistently the guy they get national team call-ups. Yeah. Now you go sit bench.
Yeah. But on the other hand, it be good, especially for next week. You say we start the game, Razak no go dey Kotoko for first three matches
because of Black Stars.
That be the first 3 matches. The first match you no go play because we dey play Thursday. We play Fiji. They go Sudan
Tuesday,
Monday.
So you
no go play the midweek game too.
So midweek
after the game on Tuesday, they will waste then come back like Friday. You know if you play the weekend game again, so you will miss 3 games. On that point, Kotoko be perfect. You can't say the last time I come here. I talk that matter.
Yeah.
Say we are a league. It not be like Europe. They go international break, the league all break.
Yeah, but here we
go international break, we they play league. So that be why. So you see, it will be dangerous if Kotoko.
Right.
Say they don't sign Razak, then like Felix 2 day blaster, then Felix they go out. What be the backup plan?
Okay, but that be just like some 1 week spell.
No, be 1 week. You see, this is they come at crucial times.
Okay, Moko talk about. Moko put the highlights on 2 players, right? What then they bring to the a lot of people talk about the impact of Kayeke, Emmanuel Kayeke, and what that boy they bring to the club. I mean, so do you what? Because in my opinion, yes, Hasselhoff them get Boche, they get Christopher Nete, they get a Futu. These 3, Gofi talk say them be one of the best midfielders in the league. But my opinion, in terms of pure depth, it be Kotoko in midfield because in there they get Kayeke. They get Adumako, they get Mudasiru, they get Sulemuniru. They get plenty quality.
So the point is say Kotoko get balance.
Yes, they get Fabio now.
Yes, Has no they said get balance because Has all the players you mentioned, they be like robust. They don't get flexible.
Yeah.
But
okay.
these people they get balance.
Boche get the flair.
But so in flair no go catch.
So that be Kayeke. You receive Kayeke the warm up for with the long hair there in the previous shot. This be Kumasa and Nuko to Kotoko training. But guys, one other thing before we move away from Kotoko. Kotoko they insist saying it not be cosmetic signing. So many people think it be cosmetic signing. All the quality players and the whole world inside. They go fish out some player from Brazil where nobody here have him before. It name be Fabio Gama. So anybody where see the player before, this be Fabio Gama. You go see him for your shot inside. This no be him. But he did on the end of this play, I think. There. If you in the highlights, he did there. You see here, you don't go feel miss out. It check like the Rafael or Fabio of Man U. This be the guy. So this be the guy Kotoko they get,
you see,
Charlie.
This signing, it be very strategic. You know why they do this signing?
So it be cosmetic in other ways.
About the football. You won't see the passes and things giddy. You see the way we already talk. Everybody they talk, Charlie. They go bring some Brazilian. If you go make somebody go wake up, you go talk, say, Charlie, make her go to the stadium, go see the Brazilian.
But we see this before.
You see before. But if this guy go stadium, say Hearts Kotoko, we get ball. We Charlie do some 3 passes.
The difference is the previous Brazilians they bring up, we know watch them a video like this
guy
before.
They watching
this one there, we
don't know.
They bring them, but they don't know say now they be sugarcane farmers.
This one you take him from me. This guy will be one of our best players for the league.
Benedict.
Benedict
now they talk like Bukari Damba.
No, but you see, you know why the league will be exciting. Now we get quality across board. Everywhere. So they all go give top quality game. That's what I like.
If you watch other teams,
yes, because
good players.
All the teams get good players.
I go bet you say these people go nickname this guy Gama Lizard.
No. We nickname him radio. It be Fabio Sala.
They say Evie.
Mohamed Salah. So now it be Fabio Salah. We give him already.
Anyway, so
let's say you can't catch, then we take a go Kumasi, then give him Kofi Asante,
or Kofi Gama.
No, Kofi Asante or Kofi.
I like Kofi Gama.
Kofi Gama to no go back.
Or Kwame Gama.
Yeah.
They like Kwame Gama.
Piso go Egypt. They give him name.
Piso.
Masmani go Egypt.
They give him name. What Arab name?
Piso El Mohamani.
Alright, so guys, so Kumasi Asante Kotoko fans, you see, we spent like almost half of the show on Kumasi Asante Kotoko alone because the club is big, it be massive. But the Kotoko fans, make I hear from you what you make of your club transfer activity and the impact the players you sign go have on this particular team. The goalkeeping situation too. Benedict and said, they agree on the dynamics for there. It be good or it be bad. Felix Anna's situation, the nuance and for deal with that matter with really this because so right now we just did. We don't know how the matter will go this season, but we all go keep an eye for that. I get plenty messages here. +233 550 585832 on WhatsApp. Be how you go feel reach me. Maybe I read some of the messages. Then we'll go switch to Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and then we'll go break. We'll switch to Hartlepool. Then we'll go break camp. Then we'll do the rest of the other clubs. Here, this one says, okay. Make us start from here. All right. Charlie Fentu has no get money. They not get sponsors. They not get assistant coach. Be like they will go another year without the league trophy. Fabu the best. Pa Chicharito from Koforidua, he sent me that particular message. Football made in Ghana. This be Rex from Score Ghana. We make ready for the Premier League. Hey, the transfer said for tell you something. Massa, come on, just you more fire guys. More fire, guys. I don't say you be has a folk fan. Why for come out the JC? I don't come out. I like him. CDTV, I swear, Jam make one of the best move for himself, but I think his strength no go fit carry his experience. As for my team has, we go take the league. Simple cry. Zizanyo from Pando. Zizanyo, you sure? Has of folk this season go carry the Ghana Premier League. Okay, we there here. Good afternoon, please. The one in the Kotoko JC, I feel your shoes, wow. And the guy in the long sleeve, he's sharper, common ball cry, the feel play. No wonder say he be goalkeeper those days. You see the way they do.
So we agree tonight the goalkeeper.
He said he reminds me of Lukaku in big feet, like goal over 2.5. Dixon, Kobe, Brown from La Paz, Lens Guardian where he sent me that message. That Kobe finish you. Hello, Fentio. We the Kotoko fans. No talk say make journalists no talk na ya amponsa matter. Just say therefore do constructively with Tire plus the vampire journalists for Ghana here. Bismarck from Accra. Bismarck, this matter they agree with you. Nanaya deserves support. Therefore support them. The unnecessary backing, they need. Support the man to succeed. If Fabu succeed, Ghana football succeed. If House of Folk succeed, Ghana football succeeds. We all know this thing, but we still do our. Good job, guys. Every team should watch out for House of Folk this season. My greetings to say that Adamu and the rest of the team. Eric from Danfa, where he send that matches. Felix Anna in situation they make me sad. Papa from Dansuma, where he send that message. Make I hear from you. +233 550 585832. The number they on your screen. Now let's switch our attention to Accra Hearts of Folk.
My friend, quick one. Felix will start the Ghana Premier League.
No problem. We like this be Hearts of Folk. The Massinis. Eric Dizan from Cote d'Ivoire. Ademola Kuti, Nigeria. Charlie International Club. Hey, Phobia. Abdurrahman Mamani. He from where? Niger. Nur Sile he be returning. Abednego Tete be returning. Patrick Razak be returning. Victor Kweku Edu. Isaac Mensah be striker from Nkoranza Warriors, Charlie. Be the former. Be Ashama Messi. Be Ashama Messi. This be different one. Okay. He be striker. Daniel Kranti say he go win go king. He watch the guy play self before.
The guy go win.
As of fans and brave. Enoch Ado, Benjamin Nana Yabua, Franklin Owusu, Daniel Yabua. Sedu.
Yeah.
As of they check like your friends. You and them every day fight. Take me through that signing. What should they make of?
If you check this signing from Enoch, Benjamin, Franklin, Daniel Obi, youth players they promote. Mm-hmm. Then Victor Kweku from Samatex. Then Isaac Mensah from Nkoranza Warriors. Then Zidane from Ivory Coast. For me, the most strategic signings be the last three. Nuru Sule to fix the defensive problems. and usually gets lots of experience. You say before the league go truncate, now they has to get central defensive problems. Lose form. So usually fixes that problems quick. Then Abednego Tete also replaces the two guys. In fact, I won't put them together. The two guys they left.
You mean Abednego Tete go feel replace Kofi Goji and Joseph Esso? Simple.
Perfect fix. So he go there. Then Patrick Razak, you see, people this one at the top they has for issue. I say
you sure say you know be Hearts fan?
No, I know go feel be Hearts fan. I know go feel be Kotoko fan too. It be fact.
One striker go feel replace two strikers.
You see that you see this man they get experience. You check say for the last 5 years they come. Players from Betim United they score more goals.
Yes.
You check that stuff.
Yes.
Konkoni, President Kwapna, Okra, then this man.
Yes.
They know how to score.
2016 season was the season.
Because Betim they scout proper strikers. Where this man he get the physique. You don't say he began at Zlatan.
Yeah, they call him Zlatan. Yes. I know that. I mean, they win FA Cup 2016, then he be the marquee player.
He get physique, he gets everything where striker forget, where he get confidence too. He said before the league, the truncate, he say he play the league, I will win the goal king. So I believe say he go fit give you that more than 10 goals per season.
What about Patrick Razak? The guy he did your screen top.
The problem has what they get last season be say now they don't get balance for the wings. Because Barnier would do the left. They need somebody good for the right.
Yeah.
Patrick Razak would do the right. So now has get perfect. The only place now they check. Be Zidane I hear say they play like that.
But you see Felix, the stop he take do Patrick Razak for them.
Yeah.
Hey, but Patrick Razak, I mean Benedict, this guy they sell him for $80,000.
Yeah.
2 years later they sign him back for free. I mean, my issue with Patrick BC. Then he did here last season all.
Yeah.
He not play football for almost like a year and a half.
Yeah.
Because the time that we play last season, he did Ghana, nobody signed him.
Then you won't go back to Hearts actually.
Yes, he won't go back
to Hearts.
But he won't play.
But yes, that was then has no signer. Right now, they finally signed. Check like them do him reluctantly.
You see, my problem with some of these players and the moves from one league, be say if then they leave here, they need if you go to mainstream Europe, go play. Then go relatively unknown football countries. Then it be how they talk now. So some go Oman, then somebody go Afghanistan, Qatar. Then finish go come back.
Right now, Iran.
You see, Abednego Tete, they
Sudan.
You go inside Sudan, you go perform. You see, but Patrick Razak be one guy. Then I feel say hard to go keep him because he can sometimes you don't say them Kotoko self they try sign him.
Yeah.
They no agree rather you go out. Then it be one guy like if by now the guy if stay last season play where they can't play, I go see different guy. But all the same, he come back. It be good say Charlie you go, you know happen, you come back then can relaunch your career. So me I be excited about him. He come. The guy where he say he watch the goalkeeper, he and the goalkeeper decide.
Daniel Free. The decision here.
He be an 20 captain.
Captain here. So as he come, so he get these two guys. Then as Seydou talk, Abednego Tete today, you already lose Joseph Esso, Kofi Goji 2 goal. So now you get somebody where Goofy gets you the goals. Then if you go defense to news,
even the
we know how Charlie this guy did 2014 to the, he even go Black Stars go play for Chan. From Chan, then they even try get him into the main Black Stars.
2014 Chan, they did it.
He go Turkey, he get
Abekwini sing with the pair.
You know, go into go day Turkey, the experience day. So as he come into he come there just like Patrick. He did. So
before he signed, he did.
What I say in this stadium they watch how to folk them games. So into you doing personal training so now into they come. So in situation they like Patrick Razak now, but be excited about say them all come back with the club accept them. We then get it because then be Hearts fans.
Yeah.
If you talk to news, so they will tell you saying be Hearts fan. He no go play any club for Ghana aside Hearts. So he could say he come then. The foreign boys, I don't know too much about them.
Oh yeah, we all don't know them. We don't watch them.
Normally, what they help be say, I mean, it be something we talk. When our players they leave here, they go play for Sudan, then they go Guinea, some they go DR Congo. So if we get players from outside, me then come with them be quality players. I only they hope say them be good players. If they not be good players, that then be out.
All right. Okay. So that be the lowdown on the Accra Hearts of Oak them signing. The most important thing for no be say then try to replace the two boys that leave. They lose Kofi, where they lose to Shepherd, so where they go bring Abednego Tete.
One player.
Yeah, they go bring Abednego Tete.
Yeah.
In fact, Abednego Tete said they say in signing Damon with Joseph Esso left.
Well,
But then signed before the two of them left.
It's all one chop money way.
One chop money. But tell your messages are welcome. Plenty of them they come here. Make you send me more on the WhatsApp number where you did your screen. Plus 233-5505-85832. We go take some short break. When we come back, we go do Ashanti Gold, Mediama. We go show you all the players, all the other clubs signed for this particular window. Make you not go anywhere. This be Football Made in Ghana. Be Football Made in Ghana. My name is Fentio Tahiru Fentio. Today on the show, I get Benedict Owusu for here. I get Sidu Adamu for here. Your messages come plenty. You see, say I change the outfit. They stitching your where has of hook. Please, the people that are watching, make you vote. The Kotoko one that they wear, then this one. Which one if they fits me? Me, I know the one that if they fits me, but I don't know about you. Which one if they fit you? This one, me.
You know, ask me.
I not go ask you because. I go ask Benedict. Benedict, this one and that one, which one they be?
You forget Liberty Jesse.
Why your life this so?
No, you forget Liberty.
I get Liberty Jesse. Where my Liberty Jesse?
For where that one?
Oh, I get that
You
one.
be Liberty boy. So.
I get that. If we go another break come, I go change my Liberty.
You for where that one?
I get Karela one safe.
No, me.
I get someone.
Where Liberty Jesse give me.
I gotta read more messages. It just says, good job, but House will do well this season. Okay. Good afternoon, friends. I'm enjoying your blissful show. I think the number of signings at Kotoko is too much. My regards to Chief Sadi and Benedict. Awa Hood Mohammed from Kumasi with sent me that message. Good afternoon. I'm enjoying your sports program. Keep it up. Chelsea will be keeping another clean sheet today. Tofik from Tofik from Golu. Where Hilal Mande, but Tofik, we dey talk Ghana football, we dey talk Chelsea matter. Why I like this show? Oh, yo, friend, forget Adamu, he be phobia. If Kotoko signing be cosmetic, then has he won't be flowers. Richmond from Kaswan Newtown says, Chairman, you for wear different jersey, otherwise, against. Now you see, I change the jersey. Abi Guys Pinto from Danzuma. I enjoy your show, in fact, your show the BKK Football Made in Ghana, the best. The messages more than they scroll for the screen. So if I don't read your message, no say you go see them for the screen for the we go share with everybody else. But now we can talk about another team where they go feel win the Ghana Premier League title. Mediama, the last 2 seasons, they did top of the league where they tranked down. The first one, Anas, spoiler. The second one, COVID, spoiler. But now they're going into the new season to attack. They sign new players, 6 of them. Koja Samoa, they sign up from Dreams FC. Patrick, he be midfielder. Patrick Yabwa, they sign up from, he be free of course, but he left Kotoko, him to be left back. From Batimbi, goalkeeper, they signed from Ashanti Go. Musa Baba Abdullahi, Abdul Basit, Adam, and Abbas Mohammed, striker, they signed up from Enyimba, or at least free. He left Enyimba with the sign up. He played for them before. Sedu.
Well, this be the only team I see say they do perfect fix for the players they leave. They be the only team because
they lose 2 attackers.
Yes, so they bring
Kofi Babel
and Prince Opoku-Agyeman.
Yes.
So Basit, then Abbas Mohammed fixes those problems.
Replace them.
Yes. Then
they lose Tahiru Audu.
Yes. Then they bring in even in defense. You see, this boy they signed him last season. The Baba Musa. They signed him last season, but sake of the second round issues, they don't feel introduce him. He come in to give support for them back 4. You say Ali Ouattara, sake of injuries, you know the finish season, so this boy will support in the Daniel Edging for the defense. Then Kodjo Asamoah too, they come. You see, say initially, another thing say. The Justice Bleed deal for Kotoko will go through. So then they need midfield backup. That's why they bring Kodjo Asamoah where Justice Bleed no go. So it be like they get. In fact, today the analysis we do be say the coach for they will be forced to play. He get headache.
Selection headache.
Because even the Patrick Yeboah they bring, you know, say Bright Angel they there. They the left back. When they play perfect left back. So the Patrick Yeboah they bring, if you can't fight for position,
For position.
for position.
I mean, Mediama, like we always talk about in the last 2 seasons, or just say the last 2 times we played the league, you go fit talk say they were a bit unlucky because they looked like they were on course to win the league. Things not really happen. What should they expect from them this season based on the new signings where they're bringing?
It be club where they don't really get pressure like Kotoko Hearts.
Yeah.
You see, the fans no they like Hearts Kotoko you for win league. So, and if normally you be team with the play league where pressure no really day on yourself like that way, Charlie, we get good players always they make them. Yeah. And somebody like Kuja Samoa just they pay me say this guy Justice Blay no leave because then the time he be small boy he go under 17 and the boy then they play.
I thought he did Lions. No? Yeah, I know that boy very well. Yeah. Left-footed,
very good. Come day where they. I just hope say he will get playing time. But I'll be very excited about them signings and doing. I know say with the pressure I know they them are top, say them for win league. Then we'll feel maneuver them away and it will be good season for them.
Okay, so maybe that be the signings we take show you. But we show you a Gianna Stars that my signing. A Gianna Stars because the Gianna be one of those teams where the whole season, every year, like they be one of the most recent champions. In fact, the most recent champions of the Ghana Premier League be a Gianna Stars this season and signed some players where the players really grow because if I don't want to talk about Gianna Stars in matter, then people to talk say they try hit. But if you look at the players them bring out, they must squad the age already. Yaya Mohammed he chopped 32 years. Well, you don't go bring in players, you can't go bring players. See there. So there you have the squad. Zakaria Hassan Prince Aqua then bring out the former Kotoko player. He go Derek Boateng. Also, Brighton J is a returnee. Yeah. Sam Adams is a returnee. Emmanuel Sebafo, he from Ash Gold they go. Alexa Samoa, you know Koa Wusu, Richard Impon, and Kenneth Owusu. In fact, one other Kofi Owusu, sorry, not Koa Wusu. So now I'll make you forgive me for that. Kofi Owusu need to be returnee. So Kofi Owusu chopped 30 something. Richard Impon chopped 30 something. Nathaniel Samoa chopped 30 something. Sam Adams chopped 30. I don't understand that because if you add up to Yaya Mohammed and all the other players they have, check out the squad, they be the new Inter Milan.
I don't know, say if then sign these players because of experience for the league. You see, say these guys all play.
They all rock the Ghana Premier League
at the point. Then almost every week they do stories about say they shine for the league inside.
Maybe them it's a CNN.
Yeah, being with
CNN goal of the week.
Even this guy, Rokuto, I say about then you be a day. You go South Africa.
Yeah,
you go South Africa. It goes Sundowns. You go Sundowns, go day Sundowns, and when you come back to Ghana, you go Ash Gold way. Now you come. You be somebody you grow.
Go Ash Gold Winley. We go Karela. We come back to Ash Gold.
You be somebody you grow. I mean, Yaya Mohammed already grow. Impon.
I said all of them. I said the team.
And this be one thing. This team, if injury starts, they hate them. You being them we see because Charlie already you and I know say Charlie the 32 no be 32. Of course, there's some of the things you can just be blunt.
I mean, Alexa Samoa.
I know they here.
Alexa Samoa, see,
listen, Alexa Samoa Makwakwe. You will hear Makwakwe, no be now.
See, Fed, Alexa Samoa, they pick injuries left and right, center.
Alexa Samoa Makwakwe, the guy that hit the ball and then he go straight in hands like this. Then he do this.
They see in time, say they take good side. Charlie. So the point that they may be saying,
go look at the journalist again.
Yeah, if it be about experience,
give me.
Say, or maybe then they look at players and play the league, like for so many years. That one cool, but Charlie, I don't really they see what these guys.
They take come back to
but I understand the signings. If you check her, you go see say be strategic. You say there's no defender in the signing.
Yeah,
it means that they have identified their problems. Don't forget, say Ghana be one of the teams where they score few goals in Ghana. They didn't score more goals.
Yeah, but they get the results.
Yes, so for you to change that, you have your defense already, and my defense be solid because Caleb did there, Isaac Quinn did there, Hafiz did there, Abdul Fattah, Farouk did there. So my defense, they get Justice Anani too. Their defense be good. They identify see my problem be up front. So if you check, almost all these players be up-front players, midfielders and attackers. So I think it be strategic.
So what will be the future for this team?
The future is Samoa.
I ask all these questions for most of the time. I don't get lots of young players. But the point is that if you want to put up a championship winning side, check the protocol signings. Kotoko no sign anybody apart from Apao. Nobody be less than 23 years for the Kotoko signings.
There's the youngest but they'll be like 26, 27. That is good age.
28. It's the same thing.
But if Ghana player is 36 years,
it be the same thing. This is they don't go be Diana de
But we look at this one. Okay, this is the protocol list. I don't know what they do for the screen top again. What my producer they do?
Yeah, so Razak be 24, Apao be 19, Asma be 23, Fabio be 28,
guys,
Mobile be 24.
Moku move on to Ashanti Go. Moku see the Ashanti Go list right now because I just go take you guys through the rest of the list. Then we go talk about Samoa Gyan. Here be the Ashanti Go list. Yeah, I know Kwame Moses, Stephen Bentel, Michael Enu, Hans Kofi, Nathaniel Asamoah, Johnson David Yeboah, Da Costa. Mpem Da Costa, Matthew Agama, Mohamed Balu, Kamaruddin Mahmoudou, Abdul Bashir from Kotoko. I mean, I don't know. Look at all the players they lose, man, and the players they bringing. Playing in Africa, Benedict, you get confidence, give us goal.
I feel say before Lord Sporting Director Roy Atta. Charlie. Oh yeah, Roy did do something. Yeah, Roy.
Okay, I know it's okay to you.
Yeah, Roy they do some good job for Ash Gold.
When the good job means who for them?
Even wait, Charlie. Wait.
You see. Unfortunately, we don't do proper. If you do this, I don't check who. But I do another analysis. I say it be good signings. Make it. Hold on. See, you see Michael Enu.
Say we don't get
No, I'll do quick. You see Michael Enu. Michael Enu be centre back for Liberty.
Yeah.
Yes.
You say Mobile be centre back for Liberty where he leave. Where Michael Enu come fix there. Where Michael Enu go to perfect fix. Hold on. Sirimental. He be unknown, but he's one of the best midfielders in Ghana from Rebushia Dogs. If you watch him, I forget that boy in 8 jersey.
Yes.
Sirimental. He fit in. Abdul Bashir left back. He they replace the man with the arm come here. Forget the man with the arm come here. Eric Donko. Abdul Bashir. I don't know Abdul Bashir.
They get the Togolese boy for that still.
Yes, so the Masani no be bad.
Okay.
Even Mpem Da Costa. Me, if they pay me, say go to leave that boy.
He be quality defender.
He be quality solid defender.
So you see what Alex talks Roy do.
No, yes, Alex Asamoah, you know what you go feed do. Hans Kofi, you know what you go feed do.
Oh yeah. So but Hans Kofi them all be anyway. Moku move on. Make I show you a different one right now. Legon Cities because this one it matter. They matter to me. Legon City, the Masani, Michael Ampadu, they sign you right back. They sign from Liberty Professionals. I know them very well. Joseph J, Samuel Nogbe, they sign Dujan, Elvis Opoku. They sign from Jana, my captain be that.
Yes.
Nasir Moro, David Kujo, Matthew Kujo. Also they there. Then you see Jonah Atukwe Few or Atukwe, sorry, Baba Mahama. Formerly of Kotoko and Techiman City. Yeah. Then Brian Foster and Nicholas Jan. One time for Ebison Duarte, he be leading goal scorer first round with he left. But the signing way everybody will talk about be Asamoah Gyan. Yesterday he tried training for the Legon Cities there. After the training then catch up with them. The journalists catch up with them. Where Jan say the football they play no and he be renowned. So if if he they can't play Ghana Premier League match, people go can't watch. But go watch Asamoah Gyan in first interview after he signed for Legon Cities. Yeah, I don't say you the feel Gyan, but you see talking self he the sweat. You should say Gyan before he go the boy he go fit play.
It be normal. You know, somebody they out for a very long time. Gyan until he go leave northeast, the Indian side, then he get injury.
Yeah.
You know say he signed 6 months for that. Where he get injury, so you know finish the contract safe. Where he come, and the time he come day Ghana, Charlie. That time to Corona day, he chop.
He play tennis.
Before even tennis safe, he been show we say name tree safe good, so he didn't really do
he can't check the team doctor.
You know, so he do all these things, Charlie. Today, so I beg.
This signing,
but you guys
we all go support.
Yeah, you guys just for take come cool because this is a put the talk now Gyan put on weight, you know the free run. Oh, somebody say he watch Gyan, he kick ball, you know the free kick. Then give her one-on-one situation, you know the free.
Where is Paula?
My friend Charlie, just
the person just go the training, they go break.
Yeah, because Charlie, this be Gyan in first training with a team like proper
of course.
Since he come back from injury and he just be tennis they play. So me I think say in terms of the transfer itself there, it'd be good. I mean, the commercial
good for the league,
very good for the league. Yesterday, BBC Focus on Africa, Jan Day on, in Stories Day everywhere. And at the point, I even called Kwame Jumo, ask him, see, Charlie, you signed Jan, I didn't see anything after so many hours. What they go away so Charlie, they put some things together, it will start coming. As I see these ones, I make very excited.
Oh, yeah.
And it'd be very good for the league. Now, ladies and things, all the fee actually Charlie.
Of course.
We go stadium. Why you won't go stadium? I say, Charlie, I won't go watch Asamoah Gyan. So you can just imagine. So you could just put the football aside. I'm not saying Gyan, he go score.
No, score.
As always, we talk say a half-fit Gyan is better than a fully fit Benedict Owusu. So
you just say if a half-fit Gyan will be better than fully fit.
Of course.
No. If be a no-fit Gyan, not half-fit.
Sleeping Gyan.
Yeah, sleeping Gyan is better than Benedict. So what should they make of Lagos City? I mean, he talk about Gyan, but what should they make of the other signings?
They make the most perfect signings any Ghana Premier League club would do. Maybe the one way they excite me more be Baba Mahama, because that guy had so much talent to waste. So the time Kotoko left, I get ahead. No, but I don't say no ball play.
Not to cut you, but the time Kotoko leave that time then the guy no really they pull him.
Because the club you see it goes Kotoko
from Techiman.
Yes, you go Kotoko. They no pay attention to him. You see they leave him.
Kotoko no get that patience. That's the unfortunate thing.
That's the problem.
Other players too.
Kotoko no get patience for talent.
Confidence and stuff go down.
If you come before hit the ground running immediately.
So see, the people they go mesmerize people. Baba Mahama here, Enim Kujo here, Jonah Tukwe here, Charlie.
Jonah Tukwe be very.
You know that David Kujo, that na 17 boy, David Kujo, it we did there. Then there's Centro Campista Creativo. You know the Centro Campista Creativo. You know that they talk Spanish, they watch me. Centro Campista Creativo, where Nathan Day. Nathan will come explain.
Translate.
The central midfielder, Elvis Opoku. We two did there.
So Elvis is a good player. Very good player.
The Lagos City them are signing Kotoko has
Elvis is a very good player. Adrian Saz, my former captain. If you know what him before, he'd be very good player. If anyway in teammate go punch in face, me too. At the top,
that fight. Yeah. Hey. So I think they get very good signings. Yeah. They get strategic signings where they my players. So make I go quick. You see Nicolas Jan. I mean the Kayam.
Oh yeah.
This one, yes.
Where he left go Tanzania.
We come back. Brahma Foster into be proper number 8 from Bekum Chelsea. So they get number 6, which is Elvis Opoku. They get 8. They get Jonah on the wing, Baba Mahama, Rafael Oklu, striker. Kaya from Elmina Sharks.
I know.
So Charlie, them are signings there.
Good players. Michael Badu be one of the best right backs in the country.
Yes. Super.
Before we go in, I want to talk about some of my players.
Who that?
I beg you, Bekum Chelsea.
And I can't show you the phone list then.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is right now, I got plenty messages, but I don't want to read all the messages. But what I go fit do give you, I go run you through all the teams that are signings. Then we just go run through them very, very quickly. So I'm going to show you the screen of Ash. We'll show you Ash goals already. Inter Allies, them are new signings. You just go run through all of them one by one. Then we go Inter Allies. If you did that. Okay, this being the Allies. Ali Issa, they bring up from Nigeria. Michael Povey is a returnee. Emmanuel Ajeti, Tawfiq Shahid will be the players where them sign. We can move on to Kim Faisal. The players them to their side there. They sign a whole squad.
But you see, Prince Papako.
Yeah, I see Papako for there.
That's
not the only familiar name. I also see
this
for
guy,
there.
Sule Mohammed.
Sule Mohammed, into be returning player. Then I see another Sadiq Adams. Another returning.
Then Paris back for to be another. Returned by the
Sadiq Adams score hat-trick against former Ash goal, former Ghana under 17. He did Kim Faisal, so you for watch out. Anyway, we can move on to Karela United there. So there you see, they bring in Prosper Avo, Richard Bedu on loan from Hearts of Oak. He'll be goalkeeper from Hearts of Oak. So there you see the rest of the
signings. So Umar Bashir from Kotoko is there.
Umar Bashir, former Kotoko player.
Goalkeeper from Mediama is also there. Augustin Randolph, one of the best right backs from Beche United is also there.
Nice one.
So
we'll go to Liberty Professionals. Show you the Liberty list. Liberty, See the players they're bringing. The most familiar name in there. But what be the name of the boy they bring from Italy?
Bernard Spencer from Dreams FC.
Dreams FC.
Yes.
Dreams.
Yes, that one from the Dreams FC. Yeah.
So Chachima, 11 Wonders. 11 Wonders. The Wonders.
So Olenu
Asite, former player of Hearts of Oak.
By go
he did there.
They vision.
And things. So there you see the players. Bechem United, so have a look.
Samuel Bachi from
Bechem United. There. They signed 3 players from Mali.
Yeah.
You see them. Alassane Traore. The other one did it.
But they have a very good Francis Chene from
Musa Traore. And then another one. They signed some 3 players from Mali. Moku move on to Berekum Chelsea. Benedict.
Yeah.
Berekum Chelsea.
I would say my boy.
But why the
Charlie?
Anyway, so there. Sorry about that.
Make you check the last name, eh?
Mohamed Gouni.
Make you put for some place.
All right, we hear you.
Before write down.
Okay, I will follow the
next. It'll be 17-year-old.
Yeah.
It'll be the next big thing to happen to Ghana football.
Thank you very much, Benedict.
Then I beg one more player.
The Sam Castro.
Samuel Ofori for Karela.
Okay.
The striker. If you watch that.
Samuel Ofori.
Yeah.
We'll go watch out. Benedict, obviously, you're going to be on Football Made in Ghana. Fantastic one. Seydou Adamu, as usual. Thank you very much. For all of you, where you tuning from, wherever you did. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.